everyone, this is Prasanna from Trendy Gardeners. Actually guys, I want to show something new in this video regarding my plant box, and actually I brought up a new plant basket. Yes, this is, you can't believe, it's really amazing and zero plastic. And I want to show one thing. It is not the material which you are seeing in our markets. This material is really pure, and I don't know what we say in English. This one, tataku, pure tataku. See, and even the handle quality is also superb guys, superb. And we can carry up to 5 kgs in this basket. I'm sorry, I'm completely explaining about this basket. Why? Because I'm very excited to show this one. And this is our new plant basket. In 2 color variations it is available. But this one is very less quantity we have. This is colored one. This is without any color. This is the natural color of the one. Material and the shape, these are changed, but the quality is same as in the previous plant box. That is plant box and this is plant basket. That is only the difference guys, but it's really amazing one. And again I want to show my plants and planters. Why? Because in my previous video they are not that much visible. Some people felt about that. So in this video I just want to show some sample planters. See, this is swan with jade variegated. It is not elephant bush plant, it is jade variegated one. Very sustainable plant. And this is the swan. Beautiful, right? This is another type of planter, but everything is ceramic only. And this one is little bit bigger one. And see, heart shaped one. Of course I already showed it, but I want to show it clearly. And this is the flower. It's really amazing flower. And this is a special planter guys. See, it's exactly look like wood type, but it is a ceramic pot, wood finishing ceramic pot. And the flowers, look like a roses, but these are succulent plants. That is the specialty of this plant. Each plant will grow as a one rose flower. And this is another kind of planter, normal square shape. Guys, these all are shelf planters only. Please remember that point. And some people have some doubts regarding the jar. This is 200 ml jar, and this minimum 100 grams of dry fruits will get. But think about it guys, these are kiwi and apricot, not our regular dry fruits. Even so many planters are there, like this is pup, cute, right? Very cute pup. And plant is very beautiful. And I'm a pup lover, and This is another type of pup, and this is the plant. It has double shade. At edges it has some maroon color. See, beautiful, right? Even every plant have two shades. This one also, see, and this one too. But the shape and the edges shape, everything is different. Not only this, so many other planters also there. If I show each and everything in like this, it will take so much time. But every planter is so cute and every plant is so beautiful. This is the best option to gift your loved ones in this Diwali time. And also I want to mention one more point. We are providing this sale till Bhai Dooj. That means after Diwali also we are providing this sale till 17th or 18th. Till 18th we provide these Diwali baskets. Finally, I want to show one more time. Everything is same. That is box, this is basket. That is only the thing different. I just decorated this. So cute, right? Yeah. So guys, don't miss these planters. Again, as usual, everything is zero plastic. My plant basket is again zero plastic. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.